Hello everyone, welcome to my video again. Today I will show you how to install SSL certificate on your website for free. So first, we just need to go to the website called sslforfree.com. Then put your website domain address and click Create Free SSL Certificate. Once it's loaded, there are three ways to verify you have this domain. I'm gonna use this manual verification. Okay, so basically what we are gonna do, we're gonna download this file and upload this file to our web server. This is the EC2 instance we created before, and we use the WinSCP to upload this file into the website default folder. And later we're gonna change and copy this file to a dedicated folder. Okay, so it's being uploaded to the server now. And we SSH to the server and find this file. So we have to create two subfolders. .while dash known, and another one is acme dash challenge, and we need to put this file into this subfolder. So let's copy this file into the subfolder. Okay. So once we've done that, then we can just click the link to verify if this file name can be found. Okay, it's been found. So after that, we click download SSL certificate. Okay, it's generating the certificate. Once it's been generated, we just need to download it. Click download all SSL certificate files. It's a zip file. We need to unzip it. There are three files. We have to upload these three files into the server as well. I created another folder under the 3W folder called SSL, and we upload these three files here. Later, we're going to point the configure file to this location, so the configure file can point or find these three certificates files. Okay, then we open our virtual host configure file, and all the three SSL certificate files, we have to put the right path. After we've done that, we need to force to redirect the HTTP to HTTPS. We use this command, redirect / and then HTTPS, our domain. Okay, then we save the file and restart the Apache service. That's it. Now let's verify if our website has been to be redirected to the HTTPS and with the valid certificate installed. Okay, you can see it's HTTPS and you can see the little log. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.